Students, we beginning with practice set 41. First sum. If the interest on rupees 1700 is 340 for 2 years, the rate of interest must be. So here what are we calculating is, they have already given us the total interest, okay, and we need to find out the rate of interest. The options are already given, okay, but to circle the right option you need to solve and check, right? So you will write total interest. That is your simple, this is the rough work you will do to find out the right answer. P into R upon T into 100. Your SI is simple interest is 340 they are giving. Principal is 1700. R we need to find, number of years is 2 upon 100. So 0, 0, 0, 0 cancelled. What is left is 17, 2 and 340. So when this is multiplication, it changes its side, it becomes division. So 340 upon 17 into 2 is equal to R. 17 ones are, 2s are, 0s are, 2 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 zeros are. So 10% is R. Now you can circle the right answer from the option. They have given you the option, but without solving, children, you will not get the options. No, you will not get the right option. So this you have to solve in the rough work like this. Write what is the formula, fill up whatever you have. Simple interest was given to you, principal was given to you, number of years was given to you, R was not given, so just keep R as it is. Then can do the cancellations. Then when the side changes, multiplication becomes division. Okay, and then you divide and you get 10%. Right? Next sum. Javed deposited rupees 12,000 at 9 PCPA in a bank for some years and withdraw his interest every year. Javed deposited 12,000 at 9 PCPA in a bank for some years and withdraw his interest. He withdrew his interest every year. At the end of the period, he had received altogether rupees 17,400. For how many years had he deposited his money? Come on. Now, here they have given you what? Withdrew his interest every year. At the end of the period, he had received altogether amount this much. Principal amount this much. Rate of interest this much. Now, what you don't have is number of years with you, that is T. And what you don't have is interest also with you. But when you don't have interest, they said he used to withdraw interest every year. But total amount he received this. Okay, so we need to first find the interest. First write what you have, then it becomes clear. Okay, solution. We have principal rupees 12,000. We have rate of interest 9 PCPA and we have amount rupees 17,400. Now principal is given and amount is given. So when you minus principal from the amount, you will get interest. So because the formula is what? Amount is equal to principal plus interest. This is the formula, remember? Yes. Now amount is 17,400. Principal is 12,000. Interest we don't have. So when the side changes, it became 17,400 minus 12,000. So answer for interest is rupees 5,400. Now, so your total interest will be P into R into T upon 100. P into R into T upon 100. Okay, so 5,400. P is 12,009. T upon 100. 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel. So 5,400, that gives you 120 multiplied by 9. T. Now when the side changes, it becomes 100 multiplied by Nothing to multiply here. So we have 120 multiplied by 9 is equal to t. Now 0 0 cancelled, right? 9 ones are, what do we get? 9 ones are and 9 how much are? 54. 6 are if I am not wrong. 9 ones are, 9 6 are, 0s are 0. 12 ones are, 5s are. Did you get my calculation? 9 ones are, 9 6 are 54. 9 zeros are 0. So it became 60. 12 ones are and 12 fives are. Right? 12 ones are and 12 fives are. So the 12 fives are 60. Okay. So what is remaining here? It is 1 year. What is remaining up? Only 5. So the number of years is 5 years. Okay. So that is my answer. Got it? Now children, I have done the third sum. Okay. Second sum is homework. It is similar to exercise 44th sum. So second sum you will do on your own. Similar to exercise 4th sum. Okay. So this is the third sum we just solved. Very easy. Find the interest with this formula. Find first, write whatever is given. Whenever you write whatever is given, it becomes easy to identify what you need to solve. Then write amount, principal interest, search interest, then put in simple interest formula, put whatever is given to you, then you realize T is not given, right? Then you search T. Okay. Next, fourth sum. Lataben borrowed some money from a bank at rate of 10 PCPA interest for 2.5 years to start a cottage industry. If she paid rupees 10,250 as total interest, how much money had she borrowed? So they want us to find the total money borrowed. That means they want us to find the principal, right? Solution. We are searching for P, is not there. Rate of interest 10 PCPA. Number of years you can either write N or you can either write T. Time, that is 2.5 years, that is 2.5. Okay, and interest is 10,250 rupees as total interest was paid for this. Okay. So let's find out. Total interest is equal to, or your simple interest is equal to P into R into N, or P into R into N up T upon 100. Simple interest is how much? 10,250. P we need to search. R is 10, N is 2.5 upon 100. Now 2.5 upon 100. Now what we can do is, this 10 multiplied by 2.5 will remove my decimal point. So what I get is 10,250 P into 25 upon 100. Okay. Now, so when you cross multiply, you get 100. 10,250 into 100 upon 25 is equal to P. So 25 ones are, 25 fours are. And when you multiply 4 into 10,250, if you multiply, what should you get? You should get principal. If when you multiply 10,250 with 4, you get rupees 41,000. So principal is equal to rupees 41,000. That was quite easy. Remember, please write first whatever is given. Then you will be able to identify what you need to search. Always follow the formula. Put whatever you have. Then what you don't have will remain stable. Solve whatever you have got and change side and solve. For anything, if P is not given or R is not given or N is not given, make sure you first write whatever you have. Then write the formula. Then place in place of simple interest, write the value. In place of P, write what is given. In place of R, write what is given. In place of N, write what is given. And then try solving it. You will easily get the answer. Okay, now question number 5 is a table, children. Question number 5 is a table. Okay, that table you have to solve on your own. Now you cannot directly solve that table. There you have to take each sum, solve, and then write the answer in the bracket. That is this table. Okay, I have done all the types with you. I have shown you how to find the interest. I have shown you how to find the principal. I have shown you how to find the number of years. Okay, same thing they have given here. In the table here, they have given you principal, first sum, they have given you principal, they have given you R, they have given you time. You have to search interest and amount. So solve, apply the formula, find the interest, then whatever interest you get, principal plus interest will give you amount. But you cannot do directly in the table. You have to take the sum down, write principal, write interest, time, then write the formula, solve, and then take out the answer and write here. Similarly, next sum, write whatever is given. P is not done, not there, then like this previous sum of ours, find P and then write the, then after getting P, find amount and then enter it in the table. So just table you cannot directly copy and write the answer. Each sum you have to solve separately. Okay, this is your homework. Question number 5 is your homework. The day I come for online class, I will check upon this. Okay, thank you.